National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Talladega County, southeastern Blount County, Calhoun County, Etowah County, and northeastern Alabama, northeastern Jefferson County, St. Clair County, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Center Point, or near Gardendale, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gadsden, Anniston, Oxford, Trussville, Pell City, Jacksonville, Leeds, Moody, Rainbow City, Oneonta, Atala, Piedmont, Hokes Bluff, Springville, Odenville, West End, Cobbtown, Fort McClellan, Sax and Clay. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central, northeastern, and east central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Blount, Jefferson, and St. Clair.